What's up, guys? Welcome back. Shooting this on a fresh GoPro 9. So just trying that thing out. But it is Wednesday and Truckmania is this Saturday. So I'm not sure when this video is going to come out because I'm always busy working and trying to get the videos out. But it is Wednesday. We have 2-3 days-ish to get ready. And we have some work to do on the race truck. Things I've been putting off. Like the upper door latches really need to get done. And that's really the only thing besides the biggest thing, which is pulling the head back off of it and putting a fresh gasket in it. So just one more time. So my new ported head is still at the machine shop or whatever, trying to get that whole situation figured out. So the stock head is staying, but since we broke that stud, we gotta get the stud out, get the head set down there flat so we don't water down the track or something this weekend. So I'm gonna get this pulled outside. We're gonna need some coolant drain from it and just hammer down just like we did last week. All right, I'm 40 minutes into the teardown so far. Got the chargers unhooked, got the center section and front section off, the manifold, alternators off, hoses are off, belts off, injection lines are off, intakes off, everything unhooked, and I am just loosening up the head studs so we can lift the head off. So it's looking like it's gonna be about an hour's worth of work to go from running to pulling the head off, which is, I don't know if it's good because I've been doing it so much that I'm like a pro now, but I'm gonna go eat a little bit of dinner and then I'm gonna come back out here and we'll catch back up. All right, head is off, and it looks like we had the stud out a little bit, but it looks like it threaded itself back in, and now it's actually kind of seized up in there. So another problem, which is how it's been going lately. I was really hoping that it was just gonna come right out, but it looks like it's not the case. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this thing out. Well, I went ahead and welded a washer and a nut on there. I'm gonna let it cool off and then I'm gonna see if that works. If not, back to square one. Moment of truth. To tell you the truth, I'm not super confident just because nothing's really been going smoothly. But it feels good. Did I do it? Oh yeah. Nice. Just got a little mess to clean up there. Got the block of the head cleaned up. Yep. That's a Felpro gasket. I know. Generally always use Cummins, but since I'm trying to have this done tonight and we're racing this weekend, I don't have time, I'm going with the Felpro. And it's really only gotta last for just Saturday, and then after that I'll pull it back off. I got the new head. So I want to put that on, or we might be just tearing this truck back apart and getting crazier with it. So I'm not sure yet, but Felpro it is. Maybe they'll, sponsor me after making 100 pounds of boost on a Felpro. Doubt it. But let's get this head set on and get it back together. All right, after breaking that stud, I didn't trust the torque wrench anymore. So grab this sucker today. It's an expensive sucker, but hopefully more accurate, and we can really get some good accurate torque on these and not snap another stud. You can just keep it recording. All right, let's bleed the air, and then we'll plug it up and see if she'll fire. Let's see if it sounds good first. If we got juice, it'll fire. If we don't have juice, it ain't gonna fire. I'm not even gonna check anything. We're just gonna put it back together and take tools with us.
Hopefully not have to use them.
So now we just gotta put the triples back up. And last time we went racing last weekend, I forgot to put this boost line on, so I just had a hole right here. So that's tight. Gotta put the upper hose on.
Still gotta win.
Let's see. 3 wins, so upper hose, this, and then 3 pipes, and we're good. So, well, there we are, back in business. This thing is so ugly, so dirty. We got coolant in it. We just fired it up. We even got our banjo string boost line here. We're ready to go racing. Just gonna do a couple finish up things tomorrow if I have time. Who knows? I probably won't even do them. Like the doors, things are still not catching right, but pumped. I'm ahead of schedule. It's only Thursday, so that means I have one more night to just do whatever I need to do. It's crazy. I'm never this early. So we'll check back in tomorrow. All right, it's Saturday morning. Loaded up. Getting ready to roll out of here. Say what up, Ash.
Hey.
Let's go.
You should. Cheers. Oh, it's still recording. Yeah. Here we go. Truck. Looking fresh, babe. Got the parents out here. Sexiest man on earth. Ready, baby?
Our first round of horses. Now we'll be into the fun truck. The shootout. Down, So when the light turns on, who's gonna be?
We gotta launch a lot softer. Because now if I try to put more power to it,
I know.
no way.
What's your plan?
Let's go for it.
Winner with a 110 light.
What do you think about what? I just gotta be easy
Yeah.
on the launch, and I gotta make sure I cut a good light.
Okay. Oh, yes, baby! Well, we blew the head gasket, folks. But we did a 966.
All right, racing is done here at Truckmania. I'm gonna give you guys a little recap of what went down. First round just went out and nitrous didn't come on because wire was broke, so we came back, fixed that. Second pass I was against a fast two-wheel drive Chevy, and I fixed nitrous. Nitrous came on. He went 998, I went 966, so I won. And final round came down to me and this badass old Ford twin turbo LS, like an 8-second truck. But he didn't do the first round. He tried to come in second round and win, but hey, that's not fair. So they ruled the win to me. So I got this sweet little trophy here, and the best part, $1,000 cash. So that feels good. But I'll show you the aftermath of the day, which we all knew this was gonna happen. Oh man, look at that mess. So basically, head gasket let go, which we knew it was going to, and pushed a bunch of coolant through the radiator and oil to the radiator and crankcase pressure, so it made a mess. But we don't care, because like we got the new head that's getting worked on at the machine shop, so we're gonna swap it. We were planning on swapping anyways. No more events this year, so hey, no big deal. We were planning on doing all this anyways, and we won $1,000 bucks. So I say that's a great day. So yeah, I'm gonna get strapped down. Let's just take a look at the old rig here. Man, she's ugly, but she works. And then we'll go watch some sled pulls, maybe some burnouts if they're still going when we get up there.
Hey, Cameron.
Straight digging, son, digging. Alright, that's gonna do it for the Truckmania. I'll give you guys a little slip. I never showed you my best time of the day, so there's a 966 at 140. Not my best eighth, but my best quarter ever that I've ran out the back door. So drop a comment down below, subscribe if you're not already, hit it with a like. We out of here. Ashley, say bye.
We love you guys.
Hey, in the back. We'll see you guys on the next one.